In today's interconnected global landscape, businesses of all sizes are increasingly operating across geographical boundaries. This expansion necessitates effective communication with diverse teams, partners, and customers, each potentially speaking a different language. For a global software company like Zoho, the question of preferred language is not a simple one. As a project management expert, I can tell you that the answer lies not in a single preference, but in a strategic embrace of multilingualism driven by user needs and effective communication principles. Zoho, with its suite of business applications ranging from CRM and project management to customer service and collaboration tools, caters to a vast international user base. To effectively serve this diverse audience, Zoho doesn't prefer one language over another in a monolithic sense. Instead, their approach is deeply rooted in user centricity and accessibility. This means prioritizing the languages spoken by their customers and ensuring their products and support are readily available in those languages. From a project management standpoint, this multilingual approach is crucial for several reasons. Enhanced user experience. When users can interact with software in their native language, it significantly improves their understanding, comfort, and overall experience. This leads to increased adoption, satisfaction, and ultimately loyalty. Imagine a project team spread across Nigeria, Japan, and Brazil trying to collaborate on a platform only available in English. The language barrier would undoubtedly hinder effective communication, slow down progress, and increase the chances of errors. Zoho's commitment to offering its applications in multiple languages directly addresses this challenge. For instance, Zoho CRM supports over 25 languages, including Arabic, Japanese, Portuguese, and French, allowing sales teams worldwide to manage their customer relationships in their preferred tongue. Similarly, Zoho Desk, their customer service platform, supports a wide array of languages for its help center, ensuring customers can find solutions in their own language. Improved communication and collaboration. Effective project management hinges on clear and concise communication. In multilingual teams, language differences can become significant obstacles. Zoho's strategy of localizing its products helps bridge these gaps. For example, Zoho Connect, their team collaboration platform, offers built-in language support and translation tools, enabling employees from different linguistic backgrounds to understand announcements, participate in discussions, and access resources in their preferred language. This fosters a more inclusive and productive work environment. A project manager overseeing a virtual team can leverage such features to ensure everyone is on the same page, regardless of their native language. Global market reach. For a company with global ambitions, limiting its offerings to a single language would severely restrict its market potential. Zoho's multilingual support allows them to penetrate diverse markets and cater to a wider customer base. This is evident in the extensive language support across their product suite. Zoho Projects, for example, is available in languages like Arabic and Hebrew, catering to markets with right-to-left writing systems. This demonstrates a strategic effort to reach and engage with users globally. Building trust and credibility. When a company invests in localizing its products and services, it sends a strong message to its international customers that their needs are valued and understood. Providing support and resources in a customer's native language fosters trust and credibility, which are essential for building long-term relationships. A project manager interacting with international clients will find it much easier to build rapport and trust if they can communicate effectively, ideally in the client's language or through accurately localized materials. The technical backbone. How Zoho achieves multilingual support. Achieving seamless multilingual support across a comprehensive suite of applications is a complex undertaking. Zoho employs a robust localization process that involves several key aspects. Internationalization. I18N This is the process of designing and developing software in a way that it can be adapted to different languages and regions without requiring engineering changes. This involves separating user interface elements and text from the core code, supporting Unicode standards like UTF-8 to handle various character sets, and designing layouts that can accommodate text expansion or contraction in different languages. Localization. L10N This is the process of adapting a product or service for a specific language, culture, and local market. It goes beyond simple translation and includes adapting content, date and time formats, currencies, units of measurement, and even cultural nuances. Zoho's localization efforts ensure that their applications feel native to users in different parts of the world. Translation management systems. Zoho likely utilizes sophisticated translation management systems to streamline the translation process. These systems help manage translation workflows, maintain consistency across different products and languages, and leverage translation memories, databases of previously translated phrases, to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Quality assurance. Ensuring the quality and accuracy of translations is paramount. This involves rigorous testing with native speakers to identify and rectify any linguistic or cultural inaccuracies. The project manager's role in a multilingual world. As project management professionals, we operate in an increasingly multilingual environment. Whether managing global teams, working with international stakeholders, or launching products in new markets, understanding and navigating language differences is crucial. Here are some key considerations for project managers in this context. Communication planning. When managing multilingual projects, a comprehensive communication plan must address language barriers. This might involve identifying the primary languages of team members and stakeholders, establishing clear communication protocols, e.g., which language to use for meetings and documentation, and leveraging translation and interpretation services when necessary. Cultural sensitivity. Language is deeply intertwined with culture. Project managers must be aware of potential cultural differences that might influence communication styles, expectations, and interpretations. Training on cross-cultural communication can be invaluable for global project teams. Clear and concise language. Regardless of the languages involved, using clear, simple, and unambiguous language is essential. Avoid jargon, idioms, and complex sentence structures that might be difficult for non-native speakers to understand. In technical writing and project documentation, adhering to educational standards of clarity and conciseness is paramount. Active voice, well-defined terms, and consistent terminology are crucial.